Pizza with the works. Yummy. $9 a slice with the works. Mushrooms, bacon, green peppers, cheese, onions. Yummy. Natalina's Pizza Parlor in Kempful, Canada. I'm gonna rate this between a 1 to 10 on its goodness and flavor. Now let's take a bite without further ado and rate this Natalina pizza. Nice flavor. Yummy toppings. Wow. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10, beyond a shadow of a doubt. Hot right out of the oven. When in Kempful, come to Natalina's Pizza Parlor at 325 Main Street, Kempful, Nova Scotia, Canada. Woo! Do share, do subscribe to me, the Dennis Ramsay YouTube TV. I do cooking videos, paintings, rock and roll songs, great short films, indoors, outdoors. Very good pizza. I give it a 9 out of 10. Thumbs up, it's good. Do share and subscribe to the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel. I need subscribers, please. Everybody share and subscribe to the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel. Thank you. Good. Now that's a slice of pizza. Hot right out of the oven, boys and girls. Do share and sub up the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel. Thank you. Who is Dennis Ramsay? Dennis Ramsay is the greatest and best folk artist of Kempful, Canada. Also do fine art, abstract art, and gothic art paintings too. Check out the Dennis Ramsay videos on YouTube. Do share, do subscribe. And you're right. Canadian bacon can't be beat. I got Canadian bacon on my pizza in Kempful, Canada. And the mushrooms are delicious on your pizza. Also, the green peppers are good too. Yummy! Yum, 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 yum. Very good. Just a thumbs up. It's a big slice of pizza, but it'll cost you $9 with the works. Remember, the king of folk art of Canada is Dennis Ramsay, not Maud Lewis. Got it? Check out the Dennis Ramsay films on YouTube. Do share, do subscribe. Wow. Fantastic. Natalina's Pizza is wonderful. Do take care, do share, do subscribe to the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel of rock music, paintings, outdoor videos, of scenery and views of Kempful, Canada. Want a bite? Take a bite. Bye for now. Peace out of here. Bye. Sub up the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel and give me a thumbs up. Got it? Get it. Bye for now. Peace out of here.